10. Effective benefits of castor oil for skin. Castor oil, derived from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, has been cherished for centuries for its incredible health and beauty benefits. This thick, nutrient-rich oil provides a multitude of skin benefits, including powerful anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties. So let's explore the top 10 delightful benefits of castor oil for your skin and learn how to use it for the best results. 1. Moisturizes dry skin. Castor oil is an excellent moisturizer due to its high fatty acid content, which penetrates deeply into the skin to provide lasting hydration. This makes it ideal for treating dry, flaky skin, which can often be uncomfortable and unsightly. Unlike many commercial moisturizers, castor oil provides natural hydration without added chemicals or preservatives. To use castor oil as a moisturizer, apply a few drops to clean, damp skin and gently massage it in, ensuring even coverage. For best results, use it before bedtime and allow it to absorb overnight, as this gives the oil ample time to work its magic. Regular use can lead to significantly softer, smoother, and more supple skin. 2. Reduces acne. The antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil can help reduce acne, a common and often frustrating skin condition. The ricinoleic acid in castor oil inhibits the growth of bacteria that cause acne, reducing the frequency and severity of breakouts. By controlling the bacteria, castor oil helps maintain a clearer complexion without the harsh side effects of many over-the-counter acne treatments. To use it, cleanse your face thoroughly and apply a small amount of castor oil to the affected areas using a cotton swab, ensuring targeted application. Leave it on for a few hours or overnight before washing it off with a gentle cleanser. With consistent use, many people find their skin becomes clearer and less prone to new breakouts. 3. Promotes wound healing. The fatty acids in castor oil enhance tissue growth and repair, making it effective for speeding up wound healing. It also creates a moist environment that prevents sores from drying out, which is crucial for proper healing. This moist environment promotes the regeneration of new skin cells, leading to faster recovery and reduced scarring. To promote wound healing, apply a thin layer of castor oil to the cleaned wound area and cover it with a sterile bandage to protect it from dirt and bacteria. Repeat this process daily until the wound heals, monitoring the progress and ensuring cleanliness. Many users report quicker healing times and improved skin condition in the affected area. 4. Reduces inflammation. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties make it useful for treating skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema, which are often characterized by redness, swelling, and irritation. By reducing these symptoms, castor oil can provide significant relief and improve the appearance of the skin. Warm a small amount of castor oil in your hands to enhance its absorption and gently massage it into the affected areas. Repeat this process twice daily for optimal results, ensuring consistent application. Over time, many people notice a decrease in symptoms and an overall improvement in skin health. 5. Minimizes scars and stretch marks. Castor oil can help reduce the appearance of scars and stretch marks by penetrating deeply and stimulating the production of collagen and elastin. These proteins are essential for skin elasticity and regeneration, which are crucial for minimizing the appearance of scars and stretch marks. Massage castor oil into the scarred or stretch-marked areas daily, preferably after a shower when your skin is most absorbent and pores are open. Consistent use over several weeks can yield noticeable improvements, making scars and stretch marks less visible and enhancing overall skin texture. This natural treatment is a gentle and effective alternative to more invasive procedures. 6. Anti-aging effects. The hydrating and nourishing properties of castor oil can help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, promoting a more youthful complexion. Its antioxidants also help combat free radicals that contribute to aging, protecting the skin from environmental damage. Apply a few drops of castor oil to your face and neck after cleansing, focusing on areas prone to fine lines and wrinkles, such as around the eyes and mouth. Use it as part of your nightly skincare routine, allowing the oil to work overnight while your skin naturally repairs itself. Over time, many users report smoother, firmer skin with a reduction in visible signs of aging. 7. Treats skin infections. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of castor oil make it effective against skin infections such as ringworm, athlete's foot, and fungal acne. These properties help to eliminate harmful microorganisms, promoting healthier skin. Apply castor oil directly to the infected area with a cotton swab to ensure precise application and maximum effectiveness. For fungal infections on the feet, soak your feet in warm water mixed with a few tablespoons of castor oil for 15 to 20 minutes daily. This method not only treats the infection, but also soothes the skin and provides relief from itching and discomfort. Consistent treatment leads to noticeable improvements and healthier skin. 8. Soothes sunburn. Castor oil provides relief from sunburn due to its anti-inflammatory and moisturizing properties, helping to soothe the skin, reduce redness, and promote healing. The oil's thick consistency creates a protective barrier that locks in moisture and prevents further damage. Gently apply a thin layer of castor oil to the sunburned areas, ensuring even coverage without rubbing too harshly on sensitive skin. For added cooling and healing benefits, you can mix it with aloe vera gel, which enhances the soothing effect. This combination can provide immediate relief and speed up the healing process. Regular application helps restore the skin's natural barrier and promotes faster recovery. 9. Removes toxins. Castor oil is believed to have detoxifying properties that help draw out impurities and toxins from the skin, promoting clearer and healthier skin. This detoxification process can lead to a more radiant complexion and improved skin texture. To detoxify your skin, apply a generous amount of castor oil to your face and cover it with a warm, damp cloth, allowing the warmth to open your pores and enhance absorption. Leave it on for about 15 minutes. Then wipe away the excess oil, which removes the impurities along with it. Repeat this process weekly as part of your skincare routine. Over time, many people notice a clearer complexion and reduced blemishes. 10. Treats dry lips. Castor oil is a natural emollient, making it effective for treating dry, chapped lips by providing deep hydration and creating a protective barrier. This helps lock in moisture and keeps your lips soft and supple throughout the day. Apply a small amount of castor oil to your lips as needed, ensuring even coverage without making the lips feel greasy. For an overnight treatment, apply a thicker layer before going to bed, allowing the oil to work while you sleep. Regular use can prevent lips from becoming dry and cracked, especially during harsh weather conditions. Many users find their lips become noticeably softer and more resilient with consistent application. Conclusion. Castor oil is a versatile and potent natural remedy for various skin concerns. Its rich composition of fatty acids, particularly ricinoleic acid, provides deep hydration, reduces inflammation, promotes healing, and combats various skin issues. By incorporating castor oil into your skincare routine and using it properly, you can enjoy healthier, more radiant skin. Embrace the natural goodness of castor oil and transform your skincare routine with these inviting and easy-to-follow tips. If you like to watch more of this topic, make sure to watch the next video.